Hi there, I'm Bruna Tolomeli from Brazil, and I'm here doing my master's in post-production editing at Bournemouth University. Today I want to give you some tips on packing. Before coming to the UK, I spent a whole week actually trying to figure it out what to pack. I am here to try and give you some tips on what is actually really important to pack, or what at least was really important for me. The first thing I believe that is actually really important to bring is bed sheets. The UK bed sizes are different from the ones back in Brazil. If you're coming to an accommodation and you're arriving super late like I did, you really need to have some sheets so you can sleep properly, right? Because let's face it, after you have been traveling for so many hours, you just want to rest a little bit. But if you arrive here and you don't have your bed sheets, you're gonna have to sleep on a bare mattress. And this is not really comfortable, right? Even though I only used my bed sheets one night, because after that, on the next day, I bought my own that was like the perfect size for the bed, I still think it was really useful to have brought it. What I really wish I had brought with me was an adapter. In Brazil we have different plugs than in the UK, so if we want to charge all of our electronical devices, we really need to have an adapter. When I arrived in the UK, I really needed to charge my phone. I was lucky to have met a girl on the bus who actually just gave me her own. So thanks to this girl, I could actually send my parents a message saying that I arrived safely in the UK. So if you have the chance to bring an adapter with you, one that you know that is going to work properly, then bring it. It would definitely help you and it could be a lifesaver. My third tip is quite personal. When I first arrived here in the UK, I didn't bring any photos from my friends and family back in Brazil. When I finally went back to Brazil to visit all of them, I brought with me so many photos and was able to decorate my room with all these amazing memories from back home. And I was actually happier to live here after I had all this, because it really felt more like home. So these are my tips. I really hope that they were useful and that you guys enjoyed watching. So if you liked it, just comment and share it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!